A bucket attachment turns a forklift into a loader that can place materials in hard-to-reach places like elevated positions and behind walls. 60 inches and 72 inches are commonly requested sizes. This bucket is extra deep to carry irregularly shaped loads with more ease. The construction is heavy-duty and rugged for durability on tough job sites. It is fully welded and made with 3/16-inch steel. This is a versatile attachment around any job site for activities from picking up trash and debris to backfilling behind walls and moving sand, gravel, and snow. There are two styles available: quick attach and slip on the forks. Fork-mounted buckets have a removable bump stop pin that protects the base of the fork channel. It can be removed if more room is needed to slide the forks in place. They are designed for 48-inch long forks. Buckets for 60-inch forks are available, but must be specified at the time of quote or order. Quick attach connects directly to the end of the boom for a safe and strong connection. Removal of the forks and carriage system saves 700 to 1,000 pounds, enabling the telehandler to lift heavier loads. Must specify telehandler, make, or model at the time of order to ensure proper quick attach. The universal slip-on fork model can be used with most make and models of extendable reach forklifts that are equipped with standard 48-inch long forks. The bucket slides onto the forks and is secured with pins behind the heel. Because it's a universal fit, it's very popular in the rental industry because it can generally be used with the entire telehandler fleet. For the slip-on fork design, a 1-inch diameter steel pin locks behind the heel of each fork. Also, a chain and locking grab hook wraps around the carriage as a secondary safety measure. Operators should inspect the equipment before use, looking for cracks, bent edges, or loose worn locking pins. Never exceed the forklift's rated load capacity, including the bucket's weight. Keep the load balanced and centered in the bucket. Avoid overfilling and raise the load only as high as necessary. Avoid sudden starts, stops, or turns with the full bucket. Make sure the area is clear of personnel before emptying the bucket. Lower the bucket as much as possible before dumping to avoid strain on the mast and reduce the risk of tipping. When using a forklift bucket, ensure employees are wearing relevant PPE, high visibility clothing, safety boots, safety glasses, and the appropriate gloves. For a slip-on forks design, the bucket slides onto the forks. For the quick attach version, the carriage is removed and it pins directly to the boom. The forklift operator uses the bucket to scoop and lift material. When the bucket is full, the forklift operator lifts it into the desired position and empties the material. Transport should always be done according to Herc policy, as well as compliant with state and federal DOT laws. The laws include the grades of chains, binders, and straps used to secure the load. Trades that rent trash hoppers include roofers, framers, concrete contractors, landscapers, and many more. Buckets are used at all stages from demolition or site preparation all the way through final finish out. What kind of materials do you need to move around the job site? What capacity or width of bucket are you going to need on site? What length of forks does the machine have? Must be 48 inches for slip-on design. An optional double bevel reversible bolt-on blade is available and can extend the bucket life 3 times or more. Contact Herc Rentals to rent forklift buckets or for more information.